This is OnePlus Nord 4, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So I advise that you begin by checking for available system and security updates, and well, in order to do that, launch your device's settings, then find and enter the security and privacy category, and here go for the system and update section, or just select it here. Now begin by checking for security updates, and if there is one, download and install it, and you can also check for Google Play system updates as well. Then you can launch the Play Store, tap at your profile picture, and scan your system for harmful apps using the Play Protect feature. On top of that, you can also try using some third-party antivirus solutions or security apps, such as Avast for instance, or if you prefer any other security app, just go for it. It does not necessarily have to be Avast, obviously. So simply equip yourself with one of many such security solutions you can see in the suggested for you section, or similar apps. You can, once again, opt for any security app you deem trustworthy or you know of, for example, and those apps usually allow you to make a deeper check and resolve some security problems, find malicious apps, viruses, and so on. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.